in a place in your face. As you can see, we have a delicious Fiesta salad right here. So this is all the ingredients you're gonna need. We have rice, we have cheese, we have lettuce, tomatoes, onions, taco seasoning, black beans, ground meat, and Fritos. Yeah. In a pot of boiling water, let's get our rice in here. Stir it around, make sure it's all laying evenly. You know what I'm talking about? Now we're gonna add some oil. There we go. Add some oil to our pan and just make sure it's spread it out all over the pan. Now we're gonna drop our onions in there. We're just gonna saute them for about a minute, minute and a half, you know. Then we're gonna throw the ground meat in here, put it in there. Now we're gonna break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, just like that. And now we're gonna add our taco seasoning. Let's get it all in there. The taco seasoning in there, baby. Yeah. All right, once we got the taco seasoning in there, you know what we're doing. We're mixing it up. So let's just get it mixed up. Make sure it's all combined. Make sure all the meat had that seasoning on it. Until it's done, it's gonna look like this right here. Just keep stirring, make sure it's mixed up. Now let's go ahead and drain it. All right, now there's our meat right there. It got it drained. So now let's do our black beans. We're gonna throw them in our pot. All right, let's season these beans up. We got some salt, we got some black pepper, cumin, and onion powder. Let's get it in there. There we go. And then just mix it up. Make sure everything is combined. And we're cooking this on low, family, on low. Now beans are ready, so we're gonna turn the heat off, set it to the side. Our rice is ready as well, so we're just fluffing our rice right now. Get your fork and just fluff it, just like that. All right, let's build it, baby. We're gonna drop our Fritos down. Yeah, let's build it. Let's get our delicious taco meat down. Put as much as you want. You can stack it as high as you want, but you will be full. I can guarantee you that. This is one of them meals that'll fill you up. All right, get some rice on top of it. Like I say, put as much as you want. Let's throw some black beans on there. As much as you want. It's your world. Remember, let's get a little bit more. I like black beans. All right, let's get some cheese, please. Much as you want, once again. It's your world. So let's get some cheese on there. Just like that. Get it all around evenly. Get our lettuce on there. As much as you want. There we go. Get our tomatoes on there. Much as you want. Just like that. Get some more on there. Yeah, get some more on there. There we go. All right. That Fiesta salad right there, baby. There's that Fiesta salad right there. Put it with some salsa. Bam. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We just made us delicious Fiesta salad, y'all. That is a filling meal right there. With some sauce on the side, baby. Let's taste it. Rice, meat, the beans. One of my all-time favorites. Delicious Fiesta salad. Yeah, all right, family. If you found this video interesting, you found value in it, hit the like button. If this is your second time coming back, that means you saw something you liked the first time. Hit the subscribe button. Share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you know what we doing when we doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.